Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are at the world premiere of Volkswagen Virtus. In this walk around video, I'll be telling you about all the virtues of the Volkswagen Virtus. So stay tuned till the end, and for now, let's kick things off. Design first. Well, the silhouette, it looks appealing, and you can't mistake this car for anything other than a Volkswagen. Now, let me tell you, it is the longest car in its segment. It is longer than the Honda City, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, and Skoda Slavia, of course, since it is 20 mm longer than the Slavia. In fact, it is 20 mm taller than the Slavia. The width remains the same, so does the wheelbase, and the boot space at 521 litre remains the same as the Slavia. Now, talking about its nose, well, you have a very Volkswagen-ish grille over here. You have the new revised logo, and these headlamps, they are sharp, they are chiseled and look gorgeous, at least to me. What do you think about them? Let us know in the comments below. And they have this L-shaped LED DRL which look good too. Now, talking about the lower portion of this bumper, it has this mask for the air vent, and now the fog lamps, they are bigger than all the other Volkswagen cars that you have seen. A bit of Tygoon is what you can see here. Sides we've already talked about, but let me tell you, it comes with 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. There's also a GT trim on offer which gets blacked out wheels. No, they are not 17-inch, they are 16 inches as well. Let's move around the tail and see what do you get there. Well, now talking about the rear end, it looks neat. You have this subtle chrome ribbon over here, and I'm sure you and other Indians would love it. Now, talking about this Virtus mascot, it is neat as well. Another neat touch here are these clear lens LED tail lamps. They also depict that L pattern that you see on the front headlamps as LED DRLs. Now, on the whole, this design looks very elegant to me. What is your take on it? Let us know in the comments below. But before I hop inside the interior, I'll also let you know about the differences that are there on the GT trim. Well, on the front grille, you have a GT badge. Along with that, all the chrome bits are replaced with piano black elements on the GT trim. And the alloy wheels, they are blacked out, as I said earlier. Now let's hop inside and see what does the Volkswagen Virtus comes with. Step inside the Volkswagen Virtus and you'll be able to differentiate it from the Slavia. The dashboard is all new and it follows the suit of other Volkswagen cars. It looks very neat and it has a minimalist appeal to it. Talking of the seats, they feel really comfy, I would say, and you have an electronic sunroof over here. Talking about the features, well, you have a touchscreen infotainment unit, you have automatic climate control and an all-digital instrument cluster. The steering wheel is leather wrapped, and so is the case with the gear knob and seats, and they do come with ventilated functions. Here's a center armrest with some storage space, but you don't get any sunglass holder over here. Now, talking about fit and finish levels, I think this feels a tad bit better than the Skoda Slavia. There's not a lot of squeaks coming around from the cabin. Space-wise, it feels really spacious, and I don't think anybody will find issues sitting in the front row of this car. And now let's hop on to the second row and see what does that has on offer. Now, the longest wheelbase of this segment, that is something you can feel while sitting in the second row. There's a lot of leg room and a lot of knee room on offer. Shoulder room isn't an issue as well. And headroom, no, I can't complain about that either. This center armrest, it comes with two cup holders. You have rear AC vents. You have two USB Type-C charging ports. Type A would have been really great a fit over here. Now, if there's anything that I want to complain about it, well, nothing as such. In fact, you have 3 headrest and 3-point seat belts for all the 3 occupants, and since the boot space is 521 liters, I think it's a great car for a road trip. Well, talking about the powertrain options, the Virtus will be available with the 1 liter TSI and the 1.5 liter TSI motors. Apart from that, you'll have 3 gearboxes to choose from: a 6-speed manual, a 6-speed automatic and a 7-speed DCT. Well, it sits on the same MQB A0 ion platform as the Slavia. And that being said, we are expecting it to be as good a car as the Slavia, and the review of which you can see here in the I button. Now, do you like it or not? Well, that you can let us know in the comments below, but I certainly like the design of the Volkswagen Virtus, and the interior, they are feature loaded as well. You get 8-speaker sound system as standard on this car. You have a 10-inch infotainment unit, an all-digital instrument cluster, wireless phone charging, multiple airbags, ABS, EBD and a slew of other safety aids. And with a long equipment list, the Volkswagen Virtus feel like a car that should be safe enough as well. And I think that was all about it from my end. I'm your host Mohit Bhardwaj, taking a leave. Hope to see you again with a new car some other day. For now, do not forget to like this video. Also, let us know in the comments below what do you think of it. Now, I'm taking a leave. Take care.